guys, we got a 2021 all the way from Pennsylvania. 2021 Hellcat Redeye Charger. Sexy, look at those wide wheels, wide body. Just a really beautiful car all the way around. What we got done on it, you guys can see there. Factory converter there, in there. Then we did an X-pipe delete. You always want to put a brace there, in there, because they breaks if you don't. They'll rattle off. And then somebody else did a mid-muffler delete a while back, but it wasn't loud enough for him. He was watching our videos. He's like, when I come down for a convention, I'm coming to you guys. And he kept his word, so he's here. Still got the valves there and there. Then we did a rear delete there and there, and put some of our signature massive 5-inch black tips out the back. There and there. There's the rears that were on it, and the carbon 5-inch tips right there. But with the 5-inch we use, they're a little bit longer. Just gives it a lot deeper tone. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the sound. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. Yeah, he opened the valve. You can hear it. Go ahead. That's how it should sound. Wow, my ears. Again. 126, dude. That's awesome. Again. You feel that in your chest, man. Yes, sir. Hey. You have no idea how many neighbors call us and thank us for doing this for them. Yeah, a lot. I like the scheme on it, how you did the paint. That's sick. That's a wrap. It's a wrap, right?
No, it's all factory. The only thing I wrapped was the A-pillar in the rear.
Really?
And the
Oh, wow.
truck is factory.
That's awesome. All the way from Pennsylvania. I love it. That's how we came factory other than the pillar. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Guys, 2022 Hellcat Redeye. X-pipe delete, mid delete, rear delete. True duals basically, other than the cats. That sounds phenomenal. With our signature black 5-inch tips. Came out really nice. Look at that. It's just sexy. I love that color scheme. Hopefully it'll give us a nice drive off.